Did you know that sodium bicarbonate is one of the mostly used ingredient, because it has many benefits, and it's not toxic? You probably did not know that sodium bicarbonate is produced in the pancreas and kidneys, but it is not the same as the one that we buy in stores. What our bodies produce to keep the acidity levels down in the blood, and is very important because chronic disease and inflammation are a result of high acidic environment. The respiratory and the digestive systems create acids, and that is why it is very important for our body to create sodium bicarbonate to remove the excess acids. Losing weight is a process which is very difficult and hard to achieve. In this video you will be able to discover how to lose weight quickly. All you have to do is to use some baking soda in your diet. 3 easy recipes for adding sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, and losing weight faster. Baking soda with grapefruit and lemon juice. Ingredients: ½ cup of water, 1 teaspoon baking soda, ½ cup organic grapefruit or lemon. Instructions: all you need is a glass of water and then add baking soda to it. Then stir the solution until the baking soda dissolves, and after that add grapefruit or lemon juice. Consume this solution first thing in the morning. And you can have your breakfast after about 20 minutes. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, organic, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup water. Instructions: add apple cider vinegar with the baking soda and stir them well. Then pour them into 1 glass of water. Best time to take this is before breakfast. Baking soda with fruits. Ingredients: ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1 sprig of mint leaves, 1 cup of strawberries, 2 freshly squeezed organic lemons, 2 cups of water. Instructions: take 1 glass of water and add all the ingredients in it. Stir and consume before you have breakfast.